I was 22, working in a bar in a small community in in Jamaica. Life was rough. I had nowhere to go. That's when I met him. I didn't even like him, but I left with him anyway. He took me to another part of the parish. Things were hard. He didn't want to work and he didn't want me to work either. He was jealous, controlling. He stayed home just to watch me. Eventually, I met his sister and we started going to church. That's when I noticed a new guy in the church. He stood up one day and said, "God is good. I came to this community, found an abandoned building, fixed it up, and now I live there. God provided." He sounded genuine, trustworthy. And you know how church can be sometimes, you trust too easily. One day, I was hungry. I messaged him. He said, "Come to church later. I'll give you something." He gave me $500, just enough to eat. Another time, I messaged him again. He said, "I just cooked some soup. If you want some, you can come for it." I asked him to meet me out the road. He said no, I had to come to his house. I hesitated, but I was hungry, so I agreed. But let me tell you something. The night before, I had a dream. I was walking down a long, strange lane, following someone. Then this big black dog started barking at me. Not an angry bark, a warning type of bark. The following night, when I went to meet with him for the soup, I've noticed it was the same lane, same walk, same vibe I dreamt about the night before. I realized now we were walking for a long time. While he kept saying we were almost there, I realized he kept lying. That was my sign. I told him I was turning back. He tried to stop me, but I knew something was wrong. The next day when went to church, I told the deacon what happened because he was a close friend of mine. He looked at me and said, "Don't you ever go anywhere with that man again. Nobody knows him. You can't trust everyone, especially strangers who show up at church." I don't know what would have happened, but that dream saved me and I thank God I listened to the warning.